Gates open. They're up and racing. Yes, Beauty, the reason why. Sorry, outside. Good as Gold catching the third spot, and moving up by the rail is Halo Dancer. In between runners comes Madam Dixie running by the rail. Lasting Rose, Chichi's Eyes comes next, and Poker Chip second last, while Silver Groom is running at the tail of the field as they race towards the last 800. Halo Dancer win command by about a length and a half. The reason why. Sorry, outside. Moving up on the further outside for a Good as Gold as they rounded the last 600. Halo Dancer, the reason why. Sorry, outside. Getting closer in third, Good as Gold. Then comes Madam Dixie as they turn to the last 450, and the race is getting more excited. We have entry number 2, Halo Dancer by the row, running in between runners. The reason why, making room by the row. Beauty, Good as Gold is sorry outside. Chichi's Eyes, and down the stretch they come. Yes, Beauty now leading the field. Chichi's Eyes by the row. Yes, Beauty with Ayi Tansyoko winning race number 2, the 111th anniversary of Manila Police District. Second, Chichi's Eyes, the reason why, Poker Chip, and Madam Dixie.
Okay,